Hello to all, welcome to the channel Money's Gate Tech Vision. This is 4 months preparation plan for GATE examination in the discipline of Electronics and Communication Engineering. GATE prior to preparation. Before the preparation plan, we need to gather some ideas. I will tell you one by one. First, the sequence of subjects should be planned. The sequence of subjects should be selected properly, before the preparation plan. So here, I have selected like from the basic conceptual level to the higher standard application oriented level. I have considered that point, and then I have considered the priority level, highest priority to lowest priority, which subject should be given highest priority. So I have put that subject in the first month itself. Like that I have put the schedule in this preparation plan. And next points to be considered is 4-month study plan should be scheduled properly. So here this plan is 4-month study plan. Normally GATE examination will be conducted during the February month, so I have scheduled for October, November, December and January. Okay. And then daily preparation is needed for at least 4 hours. Daily preparation is needed for at least 4 hours, preferably morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours. You can extend to 5 hours or 6 hours as per your availability of time. So at least 4 hours is needed for the preparation because only 4 months is the time. So morning 2 hours you can prepare, and evening 2 hours for problem solution you can take up. And next point, important point to be considered is at least 5 years GATE question papers has to be solved and analyzed. 5 years GATE question papers has to be solved and analyzed. If you are going to write GATE examination this year, means previous 5 years question papers has to be collected, has to be downloaded, and you can collect a soft copy or hard copy. That is as per your wish, as per your convenience. You can collect it, and it has to be solved and analyzed. What is the difference between solution and analysis? Solution is you have to take up the question, and you have to write the formulation, and you need to find out the answer. We need to find out the answer, that is the solution. Analysis means analysis of topic. First, we need to analyze the topic, and that topic has to be analyzed from the basic level to the higher level. To the higher level means you have to solve another 2 or 3 example problems related to that. That is the analysis. And next one important point is for common subjects. We know common subjects of electrical, electronics and instrumentation are 5 subjects are there: network analysis, signals and systems, analog electronics, digital electronics and control systems. 5 common subjects are there. So for common subjects, other discipline papers also has to be solved and analyzed. Another common subjects are engineering, mathematics and general aptitude. General aptitude is common for all the branches. Engineering mathematics is common for those branches. So you can analyze that papers also for engineering mathematics. So these are the points has to be considered before the preparation plan. And then let me go to the plan. So this is the first month, October. During the October, I have taken 30 days only, approximately for each month I have taken 30 days. I have put the schedule for like a schedule like that only. So here I have put first general aptitude. General aptitude. For the general aptitude, what you have to do is previous 3 years GATE questions in 5 disciplines has to be downloaded and has to be solved and analyzed. Previous 3 years GATE questions in 5 disciplines. So for electronics and for electronics, electrical and instrumentation, EE, EC and IN are mandatory, and other 2 branches you can opt. Here I have given mechanical and civil. So you can opt for CS or production and industrial or aerospace, anything you can take, because general aptitude is common for all the branches, but 5 different questions should be there. In some branches the questions may be repeated, so you have to find out that, and 5 different question papers has to be analyzed and solved. So here 3 years means in each year you can solve 50 questions. So 50 into 3, 150 questions can be solved and analyzed within 5 days. I have scheduled for 5 days for the general aptitude. Okay. And then after that, engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics is also common subject, and it is very most important subject to get the high score in the GATE examination. So you don't avoid this subject. You have to consider this engineering mathematics parallelly with your discipline oriented subject. So here first chapter, nearly 6 chapters are there. So first chapter is linear algebra. So linear algebra is scheduled for 5 days. Scheduled for 5 days. Here I have divided into 3 parts, 3 plus 2. So these 3 days I have given for preparation with book problems. This 2 days is I have given for last 2 days I have given for gate problem solutions. Okay. So here for the engineering mathematics, you have to take previous 5 years gate questions in 5 disciplines. In 5 disciplines, CE, ECI, mechanical, civil. Okay, in 5 years. Uh, so previous 5 years gate questions in 5 disciplines has to be taken out and it has to be solved and analyzed. In each paper you will be having 2 or 1 question will be there. So 2 into 5, 10 questions you can solve within 2 days. Okay. So other branches also you can take aerospace, production and industrial, chemical also, engineering mathematics is there. So you can take up that paper also. You can solve for that also. At least 5 branches papers has to be analyzed and solved. And again engineering mathematics I have put second chapter calculus. So calculus has to be finished within 5 days. Again, I have put the schedule for 5 days. 3 plus 2, 3 days is for preparation with the book problems and 2 days is for gate solutions. And the same month only. So after finishing linear algebra and calculus, you have to come for network analysis. Network analysis is the important subject and it is the basic subject for electrical also and for electronics also. So it is an important subject and basic level subject. You need to study first. Okay. So after the calculus you can finish network analysis. So for the subject discipline oriented subject, what you have to do I have given here. So you need to solve the book problems, you need to make short notes on that, and you need to solve gate problems in common disciplines. Network analysis is common for 3 branches: electrical, electronics and instrumentation. So you have to take out that problems also and you need to solve. So here for the network analysis, I have scheduled for 8 days. 5 plus 3 I have divided. 5 days is for the preparation with book problems. Parallelly make the short notes. And 3 days is for the gate solutions. At the end of the day, you can note down the pending topics. Okay. This 8 days is scheduled for that only. And after the network analysis, again engineering mathematics. So engineering mathematics chapter wise, you have to finish parallelly. Third chapter I have given differential equations. I have planned for differential equations. So here also previous 5 years question paper in 5 disciplines has to be analyzed and solved. So this chapter is also scheduled for 5 days. 3 plus 2, 3 days is for preparation with book problems and 2 days is for gate problem solutions. So another 2 days is there in the first month. So in the first month, October month, another 2 days is there to finish the 30 days. So I have put general aptitude again, general aptitude. So in these 2 days, you can analyze general aptitude problems for another 1 year gate questions in 5 disciplines. Already 3 years we have put the schedule. Another 1 year gate questions can be taken out and you can solve and analyze. You can revise the general aptitude in these 2 days. So with this, first month will be over. And then second month, come to the second month, November month. So during this November month, what is the second subject, discipline oriented subject? Signals and systems. So it is one of the important subject. It is common for 3 branches: electrical, electronics and instrumentation. So that gate problems has to be analyzed, and during the preparation you need to solve the book problems, you need to make the short notes. These short notes will be helpful for the further preparation. Short notes should consist of formulations and important points and etc. And here signals and systems I have scheduled for 8 days. 5 plus 3, 5 days is for the preparation, 3 days is for the gate problem solutions. Okay. And then a continuation of the signals and systems. Control system, you can finish the control systems because it is the basic for control systems. So you can finish control systems also. So for the control systems also, it is also common for 3 branches. You can take out that problems also. You can solve for that. Keep separate files for gate problem solutions, for general aptitude separate file, for engineering mathematics separate file, for each subject separate file. This will be helpful for the final preparation. For gate problem solutions, keep the separate file or separate notes, that is as per your wish. Maintain the same. Maintain the notes for that. Okay. This control systems I have scheduled for 6 days. 4 plus 2. 4 days is for the preparation with book problems and 2 days is for the preparation of gate problems. And then important subject for the electronics and communication, electronic devices. So after that electronic devices. So electronic devices is the important subject for the electronics and communication. You should give high priority for that. So for the electronic devices also book problems has to be solved, make the short notes, and this electronic devices is only for the electronics and communication. So you can take out the easy paper only for the last 5 years and you can solve for that. I have scheduled for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation with book problems and 2 or 3 days is for the gate problems. Make the short notes, note down the pending topics. So with the continuation of electronic devices basics, you can finish analog electronics. Analog electronics is common for 3 branches, EE, EC and IN. So you can solve the gate problems also. Make the short notes, solve the book problems, note down the pending topics. For the analog electronics, I have scheduled for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation with book problems and 3 days is for the gate problems. And then with the continuation of the analog electronics, you can finish digital electronics. So electronic devices, analog electronics, digital electronics should be finished continuously. Okay, so then only the basic concept level to the higher level can be finished. Okay, this digital electronics, for this digital electronics also I have put 8 days, 5 plus 3. This is also common for 4 branches, EE, EC, IN and CS is also there. So you can analyze that paper also during the 3 days and note down the pending topics. And after the digital electronics, you can come for, this is the third month. Okay, I have forgotten, this is the third month. So in the third month, December, first digital electronics, next engineering mathematics. So for the engineering mathematics, fourth chapter I have scheduled, vector analysis. So for the vector analysis also, previous 5 years gate questions can be analyzed in 5 disciplines. And I have scheduled for 5 days only. 3 plus 2. For each chapter, I have scheduled for 5 days only in engineering mathematics. 3 plus 2, 3 days is for the preparation with the book problems, 2 days with the gate problems. And next one, with the continuation of vector analysis, you can finish complex analysis in engineering mathematics. Here also previous 5 years gate questions in 5 disciplines can be analyzed. And I have scheduled for 5 days only, 3 plus 2. And after finishing vector analysis and complex analysis, because vector and complex analysis are the basics for the electromagnetics, so you can finish the subject electromagnetics. Okay, so parallelly we have to finish engineering mathematics. Parallelly we have to finish the oriented chapters. So here complex analysis and vector analysis are the basics for electromagnetics. So you can finish electromagnetics. Electromagnetics is common for electrical and electronics only. So you can take that papers and you can analyze that papers. So for the electromagnetics, I have scheduled for 5 days only. You can extend to 1 or 2 days. 3 plus 2. 3 days is for the preparation with the book problems and 2 days is for the gate problems. Make the short notes, note down the pending topics. And during the December month itself, last chapter, probability and statistics in engineering mathematics. I have scheduled for again 5 days. Each chapter in engineering mathematics I have scheduled for 5 days only. 3 plus 2, 3 days is for the preparation with book problems, 2 days is for the gate solutions. You maintain separate file for that. This will be helpful for you. And last 2 days is there during the December month also. So I have scheduled for general aptitude, another 1 year paper. So first 150 questions can be finished, and next during the November month again 50 questions can be finished, and here last month during the December month again 50 questions can be finished. So 150 plus 50 plus 50, 250 questions can be finished for the general aptitude itself. So this itself enough for the preparation in the subject of general aptitude. So 3 months finished. And then come to the 4th month. What are the left out subject? Only communications. Only communications is the left out subject. It is also the important subject. You need to consider this subject also. So here I have scheduled for the communications, I have scheduled for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. This communications is only for the electronics discipline. So you can analyze that paper only. And book problems is also there. So book problems you need to solve, make the short notes and note down the pending topics. So this is the schedule. Last 2 days up to January 10th I have scheduled. So up to January 10th means there will be 2 days. For the 2 days you can overview the topics with short notes and gate solutions. So this total 100 days preparation is scheduled up to January 10th. Up to January 10th, 100 days preparation is scheduled. 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 10. And after this January 10th, what you have to do? I will tell you. From January 11th to January 22nd, you attend one mock test through online. That means GATE mock test series will be in the IIT website. You can attend that. You can log in through that. You can log in and you can attend that GATE mock test. Timer will be there. 3 hours duration will be there. You can attend that and analyze the paper with the answer key and solutions. So 1 day for attending, 3 days is for analysis. Analysis means which questions you are having trouble, that can be analyzed, that topics can be analyzed. So for analysis you can take 3 days, for attending you can take 1 day. Total 4 days is for one practice paper. And then after that, completion of pending topics. What are the pending topics you have noted down in each subject? You can finish within this 8 days. 8 days I have scheduled for pending topics, 11th to 22nd. And then from 23rd to 26th, after the pending topics completion, you can attend the second mock test through online or offline. So if you are not having the availability of online, means offline paper. Offline paper means you can take the print of GATE 2015 paper or 16 paper and you can attend through that, and you have to fix 3 hours for that and you can finish that, analyze the paper with the answer key and solutions for the same paper. For that analysis also I have scheduled for 4 days. 1 day is for attending, 3 days for analysis. Okay. From 27th January, revision of topics only up to the examination. February first week or second week will be the examination. So up to that examination, revision of topics only. For the revision, you can use short notes, you can use GATE solutions, that will be helpful for the final preparation. This is the preparation plan. 4 months preparation plan for electronics and communication. Use the time properly and prepare well for the examination. All the best. This is Mani's GATE Tech Vision. This is a channel for engineering competitive examinations, and you can subscribe to my channel and you can view the lecture series regularly. Thank you very much for watching the video.